In this video, I'm going to show you how you can can't install Skrill app. So if you're trying to install Skrill app, but you're getting this error, then let me show you how you can fix it. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, in the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store and log in with your email before you search for your app and try to install it. However, if it had failed after doing even this, then go ahead and just tap on your profile icon here and look for settings. And below settings, you should see we have this option, network preferences. Tap on this and choose app download preference. Here you can see you have quite a number of options. Choose the first option over any network and then OK. This will ensure that you can download your apps using any of the networks you are connected to. Now, once you have done so, you should be able now to download or install your Skrill app. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and find out if the issue is with Google Play Store. For this, you need to go ahead and long press on Play Store and then look for app info or a settings gear here, or even the name of the app, and then tap on it to access the Google Play Store app information page. Here we need to go ahead and clear data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app, and we have a lot of cache data here, and this might be the reason your app is malfunctioning. To clear this cache data, just go ahead and tap on clear data and then cache and OK. From here, start your smartphone and then now go to Play Store, then search for your app. So I'll search for Skrill like this and tap on search here. Now you can see we have our Skrill app here. Now let me go ahead and install it. And as you can see now, I'm able to install Skrill app. And now it is being installed on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix unable to install Skrill app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.